Damn. I'm stressed out like crazy. Working Evan's stressing me out because thanks to my fucking ex who fucking signed me up to work with them. Fucking bitch.
Here's a sleep apnea treatment that gives you comfortable, restful sleep with the click of a remote. That's right, a button. As you sleep, Inspire keeps you breathing normally and sleeping peacefully. There's no mask and no hose. Just sleep. Learn more at InspireSleep.com. That's InspireSleep.com.
Inspire. Sleep apnea innovation. Inspire is not for everyone. Talk to your doctor to see if it's right. Important safety information at InspireSleep.com.
Discover ancient Egypt like never before.
This was amazing.
There's over 3,000 years of history here.
Priceless treasures have been gathered in the greatest collection of its kind.
There's so much to learn. There's so much to see. It was perfect for our whole family. I loved it.
Transport yourself to ancient Egypt in virtual reality.
It made me feel like I was there.
Breathtaking. This is a must-see.
West Coast premiere is now at the DeYoung Museum. Limited tickets. Buy yours today.
You gotta come see this.
A global pandemic, social unrest, and wild market swings. Welcome to the new normal. For investors looking for financial stability, it's a challenge. But now there's Reliant Capital. Reliant can give you high returns with no market risk of any kind, 10 to 12%, and it's eligible for an IRA or 401k rollover. Call 800-788-1000. It's been earning for years. Invest in something you can rely on. Call 800-788-1000 for your free brochure.
What's an investor to do these days? With a worldwide pandemic and economically turbulent times, you wonder, where can I find a reliable investment? Answer, Reliant Capital. Reliant can give you high returns with no market risk of any kind, 10 to 12%. And it's eligible or 401k rollover. Call 800-788-1000 and get the double-digit returns Warren Buffett's been earning for years. Protect what you've worked for and call 800-788-1000 for your free brochure.
2 weeks ago.
It's not often that something you like is actually good for you. Take sleeping on your side. Studies indicate that side sleeping can help with nighttime breathing. At European Sleepworks, they have many options to help side sleepers create the comfort and stability they need, from their unique contoured mattresses to their patented custom-fit oxygen pillows. After all, for over 50 years, they've been working on your side, and that's a good thing. European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley, or online at sleepworks.com. We are keeping you updated on together. Let's head over to the your local Honolulu Traffic Center, and Kim.
Yeah, right now, actually, we're kind of experiencing a little bit of a lull incident-wise. There's plenty of slow traffic out there, but they did clear a stall away north 101 at Tully in San Jose. Traffic is kind of slow, though, coming up from Hellier. That's fairly typical pattern. South 880 also down Highway 92. There was a disruption to traffic with a stalled vehicle, but that has been cleared away. Traffic, though, on South 880, Chilton Auto Body Collision Cam C. The beginning of the line is at 238, very slow to A Street, stays sluggish down toward Highway 92, and then we have sluggish pattern all the way into the Union City area, and in fact even into Fremont, right around Maury is where things begin to loosen up. As for the Bay Bridge, the backup is east of the Maze. 580 goes all the way back to the 24th split, so you get out to the metering lights, then you're okay the rest of the way into San Francisco. Your next update, 7:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Thank you, Kim. We got a gradual warming trend kicking in today. Mostly sunny today after the morning overcast. Highs from the 60s coastside, 70s around the bay, upper 80s and a few 90s inland. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Wendy's new French toast sticks are so delicious, some are saying that they're better than their mom's breakfast.
Excuse me, did you just say Wendy's new French toast sticks are better than my breakfast?
Mom, is that you?
Answer the question.
I said some people are saying that because they're so crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside.